In this video, we'll show you how to update your Instagram bio. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Changing your bio is a great way to update your profile or add some personality, whether you want to completely change it, remove it, or add something new. To begin, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look just below your name and profile picture, and you'll see the option to edit profile. Tap on that. On the next screen, scroll down to find the bio section. Tap there to open it up, and you'll be able to type whatever you'd like to say. Feel free to remove the current bio and type something fresh. You can even add emojis to personalize it further. Once you're happy with your bio, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. If you go back to your profile, you'll see your updated bio right away. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide useful and want to see more like it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.